Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Last week in class, one of my students was reminiscing about her very first job. When she was 17, she got a part-time weekend job working in the kitchen of a restaurant. And basically, to begin with, she was peeling potatoes and doing the dishwashing. But then they moved her onto preparing the starters. And as she said, she basically had no experience of cooking this kind of stuff at all. And they didn't give her any training at all. Essentially, they threw her in at the deep end. If you imagine a swimming pool where you have the shallow end, so you can put your feet down and you don't drown there, and then you have the deep end, which basically you shouldn't go into unless you're a good swimmer, because you might drown. If a boss or a company throws you in at the deep end, they make you start doing a new or a difficult job without any help or support and without really preparing you to do this job. In essence, they leave you to sink or swim. So, for example, for me, in my very first ever teaching job back in the early 1990s, I was doing something like 40 contact hours a week, and I was really struggling. They threw me in at the deep end. I didn't really get much help. I had no real idea what I was doing. It was a real baptism of fire. In some countries, if you do a teaching degree, they basically throw you in at the deep end because almost as soon as you start doing your degree, you're also doing your teaching practice right from the off. So again, it's a sort of sink or swim system. People often complain that they didn't get any support, there was no onboarding, there was no induction day, nothing like that. They were just thrown in at the deep end, left to sink or swim. And maybe if they survived, it's because some kind soul within the company took pity on them and showed them the ropes. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use throw somebody in at the deep end.